Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you log into your TestFlight account. Now if you don't know how to log into your TestFlight account, but then this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to log into your TestFlight account, make sure that you have installed the TestFlight app on the device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. So after that, you need to simply open the TestFlight app on your device. So open the TestFlight app and it says welcome to TestFlight, so you need to click on the option of continue, and after clicking on the option of continue you have to agree to the terms and condition of TestFlight. So you may simply scroll down and read the terms and condition. So click on the option of agree. So it says ready to test. Before you can start testing, our developer has to invite you to test one of the TestFlights. So you may click on the option of redeem if they have invited you, and if they have invited you, you need to simply enter the invitation code and click on the option of redeem. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to log in to the TestFlight app. So that's it. That's how you can log into your TestFlight app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.